Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I showed how to buy audiobooks on Spotify. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright, head over to your Spotify app guys, and then you'll be brought to your home screen. You want to click on the search at the bottom of your screen, and this will bring up another page, and here on this page you want to click onto audiobooks. And here's where you can find all of the audiobooks inside Spotify. So you can have a scroll down, find which audiobook you'd like to purchase. For this demonstration, I'm just going to pick a random one. I'm going to pick on Where Two Worlds Touch. Click into this. And now it's brought me to their page. And you can see everything's locked here because we haven't purchased this audiobook. So in order to purchase it, just click on the green play button that's got a little lock on it. And then it will say, want to listen, head to spotify.com to purchase this title, then listen to it here. We'll send you an email with the details to make it easier. So click on get email. So now that email has been sent to the email connected to your Spotify account. So go ahead and open up that email. Alright, I've opened up the email and it goes here, yeah, this audio book is available for a one-time purchase, Where Two Worlds Touch by River Fair for $27.90. This is AU. So just simply click on Buy Audiobook and just follow the prompts, add in your payment details, and then you can listen it on Spotify. Alright, that's the end of this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.